Where is the videos not coming? Today we are going to start the new chapter, that is your quadratic problems. Based on that, okay, I'm going to share this one. All of you open your videos. This is the problem based on your quadratic equations, the word problem. Okay, this thing we are going to start today. In this chapter, we shall be dealing with the word problem based on quadratic equations. The method of solving a quadratic equation has already been done in the previous classes and in the previous chapter. We have already completed the methods, how to solve the quadratic equations. There are two methods. One is your factorizations, other is your using formula. So here you can use either formula or factorization. Both the method you can use. Okay. In this chapter, the problem will be based on your numbers. Okay. Time and speed. Okay. Time and speed, distance, age, geometrical figure like the rectangle figure, squares. Okay. Question based on CPSP, question based on upstream, downstream, and there are so many questions, miscellaneous questions are there. Okay. So today we are going to focus basically on the first part, question based on numbers. Okay. That question we are going to discuss today. This question, the first question. The first question is your this question, okay? Find the natural number whose square diminished by 84 is equal to thrice of 8 more than the given number. Write down the question first. Okay, when you remove the slide, you can do the questions. Write down. Find the natural number whose square diminished by 84 is equal to thrice of 8 more than given number. Copied? Yes, complete.
Yes, complete.
Now, before doing the questions, first discuss some terms of the question. Okay. When you're doing the questions, what you have to do, you have to convert the questions in term of equation. So here you see they're like the whose square. Whose square means the square of the number. What is the number we have taken? Suppose we have taken the number x. That is your x square. Diminished by. Diminished means the number is going to be reduced. Lesser number, smaller, or minus. Okay. Whenever in the equation given is, is means what? Is basically in symbol we are writing equal. Okay. Thrice means what? Thrice means 3 times. Okay. Thrice means 3 times. Okay. Similarly, if you say the 2 times means double. That is your twice. Okay. Of generally we know in the BODMAS rule, of representing what? Of representing your into, multiply. And similarly, plus means what? More. Okay, when there is a number, a word is more, we have to use the plus. Okay, we have to use this word with converting the symbols, and we have to convert the question in terms of equations, and then we have to solve this. Okay, so first equation you written. Find the equation. How we are going to write the equation? What will be the equation? Let the natural number be x. Okay, according to the given questions, x square means square of the number diminished by 84 means minus 84. Each, that is your equal. Okay, and thrice 8 more than the number. If the number is 8, so 8 plus x. Okay, the number is x. X plus 8 is the 8 more than number into 3 times. This will be your equation. You have to form the equation. Okay, now what you have to do? You have to simplify it, multiply this one. It becomes what? X square minus 84. Okay, see here. Multiply this one. 3x into x. How much? 3x. 3 into 8, 24. Now arranging this equation, you are getting the equation. The equation is your x square minus 3x minus 108. You know how to solve this equation. Now solve it and show me. Anyone share the... Yeah. Middle term split, either middle term split or formula. Okay. Any of you do it?
सर आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा.
My sound is okay.
हेलो सर आवाज नहीं आ रहा सर.
My sound is not audible.
बहुत धीरे आ रहा. हाँ आप clear.
That's okay now. Who has solved this one? Factorize.
So wait 2 minutes.
You take the photo and share it. Then I can go to check this one. Take one photo. Okay. Take photo and share. Who can share this one? Who has done? Share it. Vishal, have you made the... No one.
I have completed, sir.
Completed?
Sir,
Share.
done.
I'm going to stop my sharing. You share it. Share. Who is going to share?
Sir,
Sir,
I.
Okay. Anyone? Show it.
Okay, Vishal.
Vishal, you want to share?
Yes, sir.
Where are your videos? You're not coming in the videos. You should come now.
Actually, I'm taking the photos. Why? That is why my video is off.
Okay. Yeah, Vishal. Why I tell you? Share this one. X square minus this value, this 24, 81 multiply. This is 1. Okay. Here you have to put the symbol. Here you have to put the symbol implies. Okay. in every part you have to put the symbol implies. Okay, because you are using here equal sign. So either you have to use implies or you have to write or. Both the case you can write. Clear? Each of the questions. Now this question is coming as this. After this, what you have to do? This here, after solving this, how you write the answer? How you write the answer? See, what the
Sir,
question, in the question, what is given that? Question given that you have to find the what type of number?
natural
Natural
number.
number.
Natural number. So
Natural number.
obviously -9 is not a natural number. Okay, so you have
Yes,
to
sir.
write that
Yes, sir.
-9 is not a natural number. We neglect this one. So answer is what?
Not possible.
Not
12.
possible. You have to write 12. So you have to
12.
write this thing. Last part, the answer part, you have to write. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Yeah. Share. Close your share. So what you have to do? You have to write like this. Okay. Once you this completed, then you have to write like this. Okay, but x is a natural number, so we reject x is equal to -9. Hence, the required natural number is 12. In this way, you have to write statement in the last and give the answer as 12. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This question is clear? Okay. Now come to the next question.
Yes, sir.
Number second. Sum of the two natural number is 8 and the difference of the reciprocal is 2 by 15. Find the number. Copy down this question so that I can go for the next slide. Copy it question. Copy down. Because you have to do the question, no? You have to write the question. Now, before discussing these questions, let me discuss some important part of this question. The given sum of the two total is given 8. The sum of two number is 8. If we have taken one number as x, the other number must be what? The remaining part. That is your 8 minus x. Reciprocal is what? The reciprocal of x is 1 by x. And the reciprocal of 8 minus x is 1 by 8 minus x. This is the reciprocal. Reciprocal means what? 1 by the number is the reciprocal of that. So using this term, okay, you have to form the equation. Okay. So what will be the equation of the second equation? What will be the equation? The second, let the number be x and 8 minus x. You have taken one number is x, other number is 8 minus x. Okay. So according to question, the sum of the reciprocal means 1 by x plus 1 by 8 minus x is equal to 8 by 15. Now you have to simplify this, find the equations and solve. Make it fast, quick. Hazu, you have some problem?
Sir, yeah.
This is the equation is there. You have to solve this equation. Simplify the equation and form the equation.
Sir,
Yes.
answer is there. I got it.
Got the answer? Okay. Then I am stopping this
X
one.
is equals to
I'm going to
20
stop
or
this.
X is equals to 3.
Okay. You share it. Who is going to share? Yuvraj,
X is equals to 20 or X is equals to
share it. Share.
Sir, I have done roughly, sir. Sir, I have
Why you are saying you have done it? I told you, na, whenever you complete it, I want to share it with you. Then I can show
No,
it.
sir, I have got the answer.
I don't want the answer. I
X
want
is
the
equals to
process.
20 or
You know,
X is equals to
Yuvraj, listen. What I told you in ICSC, answer is not important. The method is important. MBA, method, accuracy, okay, and the basic. These things must be there in each question. Answer is not important. So we want the method. What is the method you are using to solve this one? You have to solve this one. Anybody completed the question? Want to share it? Anyone? No one.
Sir, wait.
Vishal, you want to say? Samriz,
Sir, X is equals to 20 or X is equals to 3.
you want to share it? I want to this one. If you want to share, then I want to see you. No. Nobody completed.
Sir,
Sir, Popat want to say.
Okay. Then I'm showing the answer. What is the part? First of all, you see the equation. What is the equation coming? This is your 8 minus taking the LCM of 8. This. Okay. Taking the LCM. Taking the LCM here. Okay. 8 and 8 minus x. And after that is this x and x cancelled. And this again this 8 and this 8 also cancelled. Okay. Both cancel. It become what? 15 is equal to 8 minus x. Multiplying this value 8x minus x square and arranging it. So this is your equation is coming. X square minus 8x plus 15. This is your equation. First, you find the equation. Once you find the equation, you are going to
Sir,
solve.
how we will get minus X plus X?
Pardon? LCM, if you take the LCM, what happened? This cost 8x minus 1. That is your 8 minus x. And 8 in, you don't know how to add this one, taking the LCM and this.
Yes, sir, yes.
Okay. Once you got the equation, now you are going to find the value of this. Okay. Equation. Solve the equation. So this equation is what? X square minus 3x, because 8x is there. So minus 3 minus this is 15. Okay. Now you see this part. This is your common x common here. X common here. This is your x minus 3. Here minus 5 common. This is x minus 3. You are getting x minus 3 and x minus 5. Okay. So either x minus 3 is 0. In that case, x is equal to 3. If x minus 5 is 0, in that case, x is equal to 5. So now what you have to do? You have to write like this. X is equal to 3. When x is equal to 3, in that case, one value is 3, one value is 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5. Okay. And when x is equal to 5, in that case, what happened? 5 and 8 minus 5 is what? 3. In both the cases, we are getting the answer 3 and 5. The answer is 3 and 5. But you have to write, we are getting x two values. X value is 5 and x value is 3. You have to write both the values and you have to find using both the values of x, 3 as well as 5. But your actual answer is your what? 3 and 5. But you have to use both of these. This part, last part, you have to show it. When x is equal to 3, what is the value? When x is equal to 5, what will be the value of x? And we are getting two numbers. Clear?
Yes, sir.
You want to copy this thing?
Yes, sir.
Write down first. Should I move to next question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, question number 3.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you explain this line, sir, once again, sir?
Which part?
Come in the
Hmm?
sir, last part, sir, last part. Statement part, sir.
What happened?
Sir, can you explain once?
That is, you are getting the x2 values. You are getting x is equal to 3 and x equal to 5. So what you have to do, you have to take,
Yes.
because we have taken the two number, one is your x, one is your 8 minus x. Okay, you have taken two values now. Let in the
Yes,
question
sir.
first part, what we have taken, let the number be x and other is 8 minus x. So according to that part, if your x you have taken 3, so 8 minus 3 is how much? 5. Okay, when you take an x equal to 5, in that case 8 minus 5 is what? 3. We are getting two values, 3 or 5 or 5 or 3. In both the cases we are getting 3 and 5. But we have to write both the answer as 3 and 5 because we are getting two values of x. Clear, Shivam?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. Now come to the question number 3. Question number 3, there are three consecutive integers. Write down the question. That the square of the first increased by the product of the other 2 gives 154. Find the integer. Okay. Three consecutive integers. Consecutive integers, you understand? Three consecutive integers means, suppose three numbers are there, 2, 3, 4. This is consecutive integers. Okay. 2, 3, 4 or 6, 7, 8. These are called consecutive integers.
Sir, the numbers which go line by line is called consecutive numbers, no, sir.
Line by line, one by one. Okay. All the numbers are one by one, then this is consecutive. Here it is given that the three numbers. So how
Yes,
to
sir.
numbers, consecutive numbers? What is the method? Okay.
X, Y, Z.
Write down. Question is your this number. Let the three integers be
Question number
x,
4 is started.
x plus 1 and x plus 2. Okay. Let the three numbers be x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. As per the question, given that the square of first increased by product of the other two. You have taken x square plus x plus 1 and x plus 2. Multiplying these values, okay, and simplify, you will get, okay, you're getting this value. X, x plus 1, x plus 2. That is your first square of the first, x square, okay, and product of the other two, x plus 1 and x plus 2. Multiply this value. This is your x square, x into 2, 2x, 1 into x, x, 1 into 2, 2, 154. Arranging this, we are getting the equation 2x square plus 3x minus 152 is equal to 0. This is the equation. Now you have to factorize this equation and find the value of x. Make it fast, quick. And whoever completed, show me. Okay, I'm going to, you have to share this one. Okay. Fast. Any girl completed? Then show me. Okay. Boys are already shown. Only we have 10 minute times in this. Completed?
No, sir.
How much time you have taken? No one completed? Yuvraj completed? क्या हुआ युवराज, नहीं बना क्या?
Sir, one
कितना टाइम
minute,
दे रहे हो?
sir, I'm solving.
ये देखो ऐसे बनेगा।
Sir, solve कर 1 मिनट सर हो
देखो
जाएगा।
यहाँ पर इसको 19 और 8 ले लो उसमें, ठीक है, मल्टीप्लाई करके ब्रेकअप करो, ये ऐसे आएगा इसमें, बना, ठीक है, लाइक दिस, एंड दिस इज योर 2x स्क्वायर, ओके, x कॉमन, तो 2x plus 19, and here your 8 common, that is equal to x plus 1, okay, then this is your 8 minus x and 2x plus 19, you're getting this value, okay, so this x is equal to 8 or x is equal to minus 19 by 2, as minus 19 by 2 is not an integer, okay, so we have to neglect this part, so x we have taken 8, it should be a 3 consecutive numbers, so it should be 8, 9 and 10, because 8 plus 1 is 9 and 9 plus 1 is your 10. In this way we are getting the 3 different values, consecutive numbers, 8, 9 and 10. Clear? Now come to the next question. Okay, it is clear?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
You see, in our exam we have to do the sum, and we have to think about the time also. We have the time also. Time is fixed, and each question having certain time. That time frame you have to complete. Okay. Now next question. Question number 4.
Yes sir.
Okay. This question is little bit a different question. Okay. A 2-digit number is such that the product of its digit is 12. When 36 is added to this number, the digit interchange their places, find the numbers. Jot down this question fast, then I am coming to how I am going to solve this one and what is the concept behind this question. Make it fast, quick, jot down. Write down question, write down the question, fast, quick. Everyone written?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now come to the major part of this. Actually, what happened when you say the two-digit numbers? What is the concept behind this? All the two-digit numbers are starting from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, in this way up to 99. One digit for the unit place, okay, and one digit for the 10th place. There are two digits in two place, unit place and 10th place. If unit place is, suppose you have taken y, and 10th place you have taken the x, then the number is 10x plus y. This is the important thing. How you are writing the two-digit number? Okay, 10x plus y. What is the format of this? 10-digit number into 10 plus unit place digit. Okay, suppose 23. So how you are 23? 2 is the 10th place. So 2 into 10. A unit place is 3. So plus 3. So suppose 85. How you write? 8 is the 10th place. You have to write 8 into 10 plus unit place is what? 5. So simply you have to write 5. This thing you have to keep in the mind while you are writing the two-digit number. Okay, 10x plus y. Y is the unit place and x is the 10th place. You have to write like this. Okay,
Yes,
so now
sir.
come to the question. How you form the question? Let the unit place be x. Okay, the 10th place is your 12 by x. Because it is given that question. The question given. Okay, the product of two number is what? 12. So if one number is x, other number is 12 by x. Because it is given that the product of two number digit is how much? 12. Okay. The original number is what? Unit place. Original number is what? Unit, 10th place. So 10th place we have taken 12 by 10 into 10. This is your unit place. This number we have write 10 x plus y. Y unit.
Sir, hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
Bolo Yuvraj.
We can't solve it using. We can't use it. We can't solve it using two variables, x and y.
We can use the two variable, but thing is that we are doing the quadratic equation. In quadratic equation, only one variable is there, ax square plus bx plus c. So how you can use the two variable? So again, you have to convert in single equations. Okay, that's why it is better. You have to write like this only. It will be better for you. Okay,
Okay, sir. Okay.
you can use xy, but again, last you have to convert in single variable because the equation is ax square plus bx plus c. So only one variable is there. So last you have to convert in single variable only. Okay. Now once you write down this value, okay. After that, what happened? You have to write the equation. Okay. Write the equation. As per the equation, what is given that the two-digit number, if 36 is added, the number is interchanged its place. So what you have to do? Number is what? 12 by x into 10. Okay, plus x plus 36 is equal to 10x plus 12 by x. You see, just I interchange the digit. Unit place, now the 12 by x coming in unit place. See here. Okay, this is your unit place. Okay, this is your 10th place. Whereas here, what happened? This part is the unit place. This is your unit place. This is your 10th place. Just I interchange this one. Okay, after simplification and cross multiplying, you are getting the equation x square minus 4x minus 12. You see here in this question 9, 36 and 108. If you will find that any equation containing the common number, simply you omit the common number. Okay, common number you simply omit. Okay, take out the common number. And whatever the number will be there, you take this one and then you have to factorize and find the value of this. Okay. After getting the equation x square minus 4x plus 12, we have to solve the equation. For solving, we can use the method, either factorizations or the formula, any method we can do. Once you are going to solve this one, you can see here we are getting the value of x minus 6 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. So either x minus 6 is 0 or x plus 2 is 0. If x minus 6 is 0, in that case x is equal to 6. We are getting the value x is 6. If x plus 2 is 0, in that case x is equal to minus 2. As minus 2 cannot be the digit of a number, hence we are going to neglect this part. It is not possible for us. What we have to do? We have to use x as 6 and putting the value in the original number. 12 by 6, that is 2, into 10, 20 plus 6 is equal to 26. We are getting the value, 2-digit number is 26. It is clear to everybody? Thank you for watching this video. For any further inquiry, you can contact me on the following phone number, or you can write to me at the alphaclasses20